Explain how you're feeling about this sell-off and what you think it means for where we go from here?
Yes, within our equity bucket, that picking stocks, half the portfolio, it is actually about 5%. So we're underweight the index at 7 right now. I think it has to be, how you build out a portfolio has to be one of the top positions. I think there's two narratives that are really playing out. First, is this really just speeding up the inevitable? Is China's move here potentially speeding up the inevitable in the sense that Huawei has 7-nanometer chips that are really potentially going to compete with Apple and start selling to Asia, start selling to Europe, and that could take away sales there. The other story potentially is the elephant in the room. I think that services, and Apple's going to become more dependent on services. Obviously, selling less phones gets services in the hands of less people, but Apple Wallet is going to start taking more and more share from places like PayPal. I think that's something to pay attention to as well. And
services is only 26% of total
but
revenue.
it's 3 times larger over the last 5 years. So that growth is what
they're still a product company.
Yeah, yes, they're still a product company. But I think that's where that revenue. I think it's Q2 of 2022 was the recent quarter was the lowest of iPhone sales since then. So we're seeing that trend lower. It's less than half of the revenue now.
I think, Stephanie, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but yeah. I think the elephant in the room, as you suggested, may be nothing fundamental about any of their